If you want to know how to get skin like this, then keep on watching. I'm gonna first start with the foundation. Okay, so I feel like I'm a little late to the game, but the recent foundation I discovered that literally is the best thing in the world is from GLAM called the Ordinary Coverage Foundation. This was so cheap to buy in store, and when I tried it on, like, obviously I was super skeptical of the quality because it was like so cheap. I'm used to always using foundations that are $50 to $60 just because my skin's really sensitive, so I like going kind of higher end. But I discovered this and now I have no reason to go back to those foundations, and it was the perfect color. So anyways, let's first start off with this. So it's a little bit more watery. See how it's got like kind of watery a little bit? And then I'm blending it out with a damp beauty blender. I don't know if you guys can see, but like the color is perfect for me. The finish is just so natural. It's kind of like in the mix between a dewy and a matte finish. So I'm not gonna say it's completely dewy, but it's not completely matte either. But it's just super natural looking, and the coverage is insane. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of how my skin looks. I spend so much money on foundations just because like I'm super obsessed with foundations. So when I find one that's really good, I get so happy. So pretty much almost done the base. Now I'm just gonna put on a little bit of concealer. And then blend that out with the beauty blender again. Oh, I'm just so happy with this. Okay, next we're gonna finish up. The very last step of the base is just setting it with powder. And I always go back to my Rimmel Stay Matte. I'm just gonna dust that all over my face. Okay, so I'm going to finish up the rest of my makeup and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back with my full makeup on, and once again I am just super shocked with the quality. Like, I'm looking at it and it hasn't moved at all. It hasn't creased in my frown lines or anything. This base combination with all these different products I've been using has just been working flawlessly together. I haven't been breaking out at all, which was what I was very wary about, but my skin is doing okay. So yeah, so hopefully you guys will try out the foundation too, or try out my routine too. Let me know what you guys think after you do try it out, and see, you know, if it does work well with your skin and you are getting that flawless finish like I am. But other than that, I do have an Instagram. Please follow me. It's @StephanieOn, and also like and subscribe to this video. And yeah, that's about it. I will see you guys next time. Bye.